I will be building a box inside of here. It won't be very deep. It'll have a back that I can remove to get to the wiring. It'll also have a door, I think, on this side, so I can get to the edge in here of the Reflectix. If I take it out to put it back in, because I have to push it into the groove. And then this door will be on here, will actually come down. It won't completely cover the stove, so I'll make a bridge on the top of the door that will hold it up, and I'll be able to use this as a cutting surface or a prep surface. And then it'll just fold back up. And in here will be all my utensils. I'll find some hanging bars to put my utensils and stuff in. Maybe a magnetic strip for the knife. And all I gotta do is pop it down, reach in, get what I want, put it back up, and continue on. That'll keep my countertop good and clean. Now on the front doors down here, I have the bottom of the doors have expanded metal in them, so airflow can go in, and then as the refrigerator blows the heat out, it'll come out and come up here, through here. So this is all open to give a good airflow. Just some of the little things you have to think about when you're doing this. Of course, there'll be a panel like this over all of this right here, and it'll go back to the back of the backsplash there, and I'll build another backsplash to come right down here to match. It'll go right into that one. Still a ton of little things to do, and the little things take time. Alright, check back. I've got more stuff coming. Here's a quick sketch I made of the box that's going in to cover up that electrical switch area and for the utensils. I just made a real quick sketch. In here is going to be just some quarter, half by half, and this side is going to be quarter inch ply, because it doesn't need to be super structural. And it'll be attached here in the surfaces, the front surfaces. This back will be removable because the switches are right here, so I can get to the wiring on the back side of the switches without taking the whole switch out. And right now I'm cutting, if you can see these right here, I'm cutting the 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch strips that go right here, here, across the top and across the bottom. The front will be attached to the opening that's existing now. So I'm cutting it off some 1/2 inch ply here, and then again I'll be using 1/4 inch ply for the walls since it's not structural. Side assemblies going together. A little bit of a design change, but no big deal. And there's more pieces. I still haven't cut the back yet. That will be last. I want to get these side assemblies made first and put together. That way I know exactly what size my back is. And then once I get all 4 sides together in the back end, it's ready to go in. The utensils cabinet has got the sides and the top and bottom in. Now I've just got to make the back for it, which will have a few screws in it. I can take that backing out to get to my electrical switches down there. I've still got to put a door over here so I can get in back there if I decide to take this Reflectix out. And then this will be covered in my cover material here. And then I'll cut out for the door, build the door, put a couple hinges at the bottom, and that'll be ready to finish out. My utensil closet is built and in. Now I've just got to come back and skin this section, and that then build a door, and that's done. That project finally is done. Looks a whole lot nicer than seeing all those wires. But the nice thing about it, I can just take the backing off, the screws out, and get to all the wiring. And if I need to go even deeper, I can take out these screws, and the whole thing will come out. Onwards and upwards. Alright, I got the door on. And that's ready to go. As you can see, I have some utensils hung up. This will just be a kind of a catch-all. I'm going to do away with any type of cutting board here because I have to have a place to put my knives. Let me focus again. There we go. Put my knives here. So I've got a magnetic strip coming that I can hang my knives on, and then just pick it up. It's in place.